Alright, Mac. I know there's a lot of snow out here, but I think you can do this. Here goes nothing. You ready? Go ahead, kid. Go for it. Come on, Mac, you can do it. Atta girl. Come on. It's okay. Hey, wait, no, go. Come on, Mac. Wait, you can go over here. Go over here. Good girl. Come on, Mac. I know you can't hear me, but come on. Come on, Mac. Atta girl. Come on, do something. Do something. Come on. I know it's a lot of snow, but we gotta work. We gotta work. You can do it. I know it sucks. I know. Good girl. There you go. Awesome. Mission accomplished.